I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. This is episode 64, Septic Systems. We sometimes experience people moving into our area from larger metro areas with an understanding of city sewer, but they may not have an understanding of septic systems, which are far more common in rural areas like the Albemarle. All waste from the home move to the septic tank. This is a very simple explanation. Much more information can be garnered by a licensed septic inspector. The solids sink to the bottom, fluids move to the top and are filtered and then move to the D box, the distribution box, and finally to the drain field. When installed, the county issues a septic permit that determines the number of bedrooms the house can have. This is the amount of advertised bedrooms a home can be listed with. It has nothing to do with the closets and windows in a room. The septic system must be periodically pumped and inspected. It's the owner's responsibility to make sure the septic system is functioning. The city or county has nothing to do with that. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other popular social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.